They say that entire knowledge that was stored in Library of Alexandria can now be accessed on your smartphone, which basically means we live in the world of information and we can also say misinformation. दुनिया में इतना कुछ ज्ञान चल रहा है, it's very very difficult to actually find facts. That is why one of my favorite quotes of all time came from a Guardian editor from 1920s called C.P. Scott, who said that opinions are free, but facts are sacred. And the more I quiz, the more I realize that at some level we are all doing some sort of a celebration, a quiet celebration of facts. With last 4 episodes, we have celebrated many facts. We found 16 people who love celebrating facts, and we have now come down to 8 people, जिनमें से 4 हमारे साथ हैं अभी, जिनसे हम मिलेंगे एक एक करके दोबारा. Let's start from contestant 1. कुछ we know now basic intro from your quarter final. थोड़ा कुछ नया नाम के साथ क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, क्या बताना चाहते हैं अपने बारे में?
आजकल मैं क्लासिकल म्यूजिक थोड़ा सीखने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, तो यमन राग सीखने का थोड़ा कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, तो वही सब चलते रहता है. और आप अभी बीटल्स बजा रहे थे तो वो भी बीच में वेरी नाइस. तो म्यूजिक आजकल बहुत थोड़ा चल रहा है. यमन.
वाह दोस्तों, यमन अगर आपको नहीं पता तो यमन इज द मोस्ट ऑफन यूज्ड राग इन हिंदी सिनेमा. घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही यमन, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, चंदन सा बदन. आप गाएंगे तो आप seamlessly you can move from one song to another which is based on Yaman. Yaman is considered to be one of the most used Bollywood song. Any favorite song, Alpesh?
एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर.
हाय माहौल ही बना दिया इस एपिसोड में, है ना? एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल से. उफ, too good. Can we have a big round of applause for our first?
Thank you.
Semi-finalist, Dr. Alpesh. Okay.
Hi, I'm Akshat. As mentioned in the quarterfinal, from Mumbai, lived all my life over here. अभी F1 season वापस start हो गया है. First 2 races are done and I'm a big F1 fan. Pre-Drive to Survive era, तो one of the OG. But my dream this year is to go watch a race, mostly in Singapore. तो I'm hoping यहाँ से थोड़ा funding we can raise.
We are all trying to fund your Singapore night race.
Yes.
Oh ho. Any favorite ऐसा F1 driver team कुछ है? अक्षत?
Currently Max Verstappen.
Max Verstappen.
But वो मतलब it's not glory वाला वो कि अभी जो जीत रहा है उसको सपोर्ट करनी है. But I like the way he conducts himself, the way he is aggressive, but also like you know off the racetrack he's very good with the rookies वगैरह. तो I like his personality.
Anyone else who follows F1 आप में से कोई?
On the news.
On the news.
जमा ही नहीं कभी
जमा ही नहीं. इतना तेज चलाना सही नहीं है. This is too much. ऐसे नहीं चलाना चाहिए. मुंबई में तो चला भी नहीं चला.
रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर.
रिलेटेबल कंटेंट नहीं है. F1 का प्रॉब्लम ये है. अल्पेश F1 नो. नहीं. Okay.
I think David Coulthard वाला.
David Coulthard भाई, talk about being OG.
सीलिंग पे भगाई थी गाड़ी उसने.
David Coulthard. Wow, I haven't heard that name in a long time. David Coulthard. We are from that.
हाँ, हम वो
और पुराना.
Mickey Raikkonen. जब हमारे लिए लुइस हैमिल्टन वाज अ रुकी.
Yes, he was a rookie.
तो धीरे धीरे आए तो जेनसन बटन शायद नेक्स्ट स्टार होगा. नाइस, कूल. ओके, थर्ड कंटेस्टेंट.
Hi, I am Rohan and I am a digital marketer. Something new about me. So, on the topic of fulfilling your dreams, so I recently fulfilled my lifelong dream, which was to watch Linkin Park live.
Nice.
Yeah.
New lead singer.
New lead singer.
Oh, wow.
So I just last month I went to Jakarta for just 2 nights, watched them live, formed a fan pit. So it was amazing. Badhiya.
With your friends and all.
Yeah, all my boyhood group, who we were all like grown up on Linkin Park music, so it was amazing.
वो दोस्त जो आके एकदम आपस में doesn't even matter वाला एकदम पागल होते हैं सुनते हैं.
Goosebumps.
Oh wow, Linkin Park.
Yeah.
Favorite Linkin Park song? Sir?
New Divide.
हाँ?
New Divide.
New Divine?
हाँ.
मुझे क्यों नहीं पता ये गाना?
ये Transformers 2 में जो उन्होंने बनाया था.
अच्छा, मुझे याद. New Divine. I'm more of a new Nazi guy. Okay, last contestant who is also a Michelin star foodie.
Yep. Hi, this is Soham. अभी currently तो IPL चल रहा है, तो as a cricket fanatic IPL में ही घुसा हूँ. And unpopularly I am an RCB fan. So अभी के लिए खुश हूँ. waiting for the heartbreak now. I know it will come.
दिल तोड़ो मगर थोड़ा धीरे से.
नहीं, वो कभी भी अभी आदत ही है. कुछ होप ही नहीं.
कह रहा है 17 साल में तो समझ आ गया कि इससे उम्मीद नहीं करनी चाहिए मुझे. बट भाई आरसीबी लाइक फ्रॉम
डिविलियर्स.
डिविलियर्स.
यस, डिविलियर्स की वजह से. So I was a Mumbai fan. लेकिन फिर I grew up. मुंबई बहुत जीत रहा था.
One day he grew up, saw Arjun Tendulkar ball and he was like, भाई, I think my breaking point is मेरा हो गया दोस्त.
So डिविलियर्स जब से आरसीबी में बेसिकली तब से आरसीबी फैन.
Nice. This is a very OG celebration kind of a Linkin Park fan. AB Dean, this thing, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर. David Coulthard. F1 pre-drive to survive. Wow, crazy. शुरू करें फिर guys?
जी जी.
Okay, let's begin. हाँ, so you all know how this works. आप में से 2 लोग फाइनल में जाएंगे, 2 लोग को हम ऐसा बोलेंगे आप बहुत अच्छे थे बट ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम है ना वो सब करेंगे. There are 2 awards, you know. पहले सरप्राइज था बट अब आपको पता है. There is one Crime Master Gogo Award, there is one Wawa Production Award. Keep an eye out for that. And yeah, but we'll have fun. That's the whole agenda, है ना? है ना? चलो, okay. Let's start with the toss for this episode. If 2 is a company and 3 is a crowd, what's 4 and 5? इसमें तो negative भी नहीं है, तो you can just Alpesh.
I guess they are just numbers.
Very good. We'll wait 30 seconds. किसी ने better नहीं दिया इससे, तो मैं आपको toss दे दूँगा. Okay. So हम
9.
9 भाई. This is the what's 4 and 5? 4 and 5 is 9 भाई. Very nice. Very good. So हम
Yes.
आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर फॉर दिस राउंड.
This is
क्लासिक स्टेटस को. ठीक है गाइस, लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट राउंड. लेट द फन बिगिन. लेट्स डू दीवार. चलो, लेट्स बिगिन. ओके, 9 कैटेगरीज फॉर दिस राउंड. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी डिजास्टर्स, सेकंड दंगल, थर्ड सिटीज, फोर्थ बहुत हार्ड, फिफ्थ मार्च पास्ट, सिक्स्थ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम, आई कैप्टन, जियोमेट्री and child's play. But whenever we are ready, Alpesh will pick the first category.
Okay, I'm going to go with geometry.
Geometry. Oh ho ho. Okay दोस्तों,
Nerd,
are you
nerd.
ready to go back to geometry lessons? Let's do it. Geometry for 5 points for Alpesh. A figure that is a quadrilateral with 2 equal angles and 2 pairs of adjacent equal length sides, also seen during Makar Sankranti.
Rhombus. Trapezius.
एक इम्प्रूवमेंट मैं देना चाहूँगा. रॉम्बस इज नॉट दैट फार फ्रॉम द आंसर, बट हम कुछ हिंट्स हम डालते हैं तो कुछ सोच समझ के डालते हैं कि ये लोग ये चीज
तो
बोले.
शंकर पारा इज द मकर संक्रांति में जो देते हैं. तो rhomboid.
नहीं यार, वी हैव टू, वी वर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक. क्या लगता है आप बाकी? काइट.
Kite.
Kite is the
Okay.
basic answer. We were looking for kite. We were defining kite and kite Makar Sankranti. We all know the connection. No problem. Still early in the episode. We'll get there. Which means we don't go to the 10-point question, but we rather go to Akshat.
Technical problem.
Technical problem.
Interesting.
Technical problem seems interesting. Said no one ever. Okay. Technical problem पे चलते हैं. First question. This term to describe a software error originated from a real life incident in 1947 when a moth caused a malfunction in a computer.
Bug.
Bug, yes. First point of the episode is here. Bug. क्योंकि literally एक bug आ गया था सिस्टम में. मौत आ गई. मौत
सीधे मौत.
सुबह मौत ही आ गई भाई. सीधे मौत आ गई. Okay, 5 points, which means we'll go to a 10-pointer for Akshat. Or technical problem. Name this bug caused by programs storing 4-digit years as 2 digits, making a certain year indistinguishable from the year 1900.
Y2K.
Y2K, yes, but full 10 points, yes. बढ़िया. Y2K, year 2000 problem. देखो 2000 जमाना आ गया. Anyone who knows David Coulthard also देखो 2000 जमाना आ गया. Which means कि ये कैटेगरी हम अब खोल देंगे. पीछे एक इमेज थोड़ी सी रिवील होगी. And Akshat, you can take a shot if you want to.
Yes.
Okay, Akshat, any guesses who this person is?
Che Guevara.
Che Guevara, भाई.
बढ़िया.
पता लग रहा है सेमीफाइनल है. पहले ही टाइल खुलते ही आंसर निकल गया और 20 एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स फॉर अक्षत. ओके, तो 15 plus 20 मैसिव पावर प्ले 35 भाई. मैक्स वर्स्टैपन लीडिंग फ्रॉम लैप 1. क्रेजी. ओके, थर्ड. नाउ वी हैव two categories are done, Rohan.
Let's go with child's play.
Let's go with child's play.
Hopefully it is child's
Hopefully it will be child's play. Child's play. First, a word guessing game where players act out words or phrases without speaking, while their teammates try to guess what they are representing.
This is heads up.
No, yaar, this can't be heads up. थोड़ा jump the gun हो गया रोहन का. But we are talking about charades or dumb charades. Charades, dumb C. No problem. We were looking for charades, which means we'll go to the fourth contestant, Soham, winner of the toss.
बहुत हार्ड. बहुत हार्ड.
बहुत हार्ड, बहुत हार्ड,
बहुत hard.
बहुत hard.
बहुत हार्ड. चलो, बहुत हार्ड में देखते हैं क्या आ रहा है. सोहम, बहुत हार्ड. Based on the novel Nothing Lasts Forever and starring Bruce Willis, which action movie status as a Christmas movie is disputed?
Die Hard.
Die Hard, yes. बहुत hard film. 5 points to Soham. Of course, we are talking about Bruce Willis's Die Hard, और वो actually Christmas film है. Come to think of it.
Yes.
इस Christmas party में होती है, बहुत चीजें होती हैं. But okay, which means now you get a shot at 10-point question. Soham, let's see बहुत hard 10-point question. On the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, which material has the relative hardness of 1, making it the softest mineral on the scale? अक्षत के हाथ बजर की तरफ धीरे धीरे कदम बढ़ाते हुए एकदम केयरफुली मोनाको ग्रॉपरी की तरह, कहीं कुछ टच ना हो जाए.
नहीं हो रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है. बट ग्रेफाइट.
Not graphite. Buzzer on. Yes, Akshat has gone for it. Akshat.
Is this talc?
Yes, Akshat. What a start. It is talc. It's talc. Mineral की hardness में talc is the softest. So in fact, fingernail से आप talc ऐसे हटा सकते हैं. That's why it's used in talcum powder. Hence the name and all of that. Talc. Okay, पहला राउंड हो चुका है. 4 कैटेगरीज निकल चुके हैं जो कि थे बहुत हार्ड, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम, ज्योमेट्री और चाइल्ड्स प्ले. आई थिंक हमने स्कूल कवर कर लिया. When was the last time we heard most scale of hardness and quadrilateral in the same conversation? We'll come back to Alpesh now. Alpesh?
Cities.
Cities. Okay, basic. आ जाओ. Cities. Speed in combination with the direction of motion of an object is called what?
Velocity.
Velocity is the city we are talking about. Yes. 5 points to Alpesh for this city, which was Velocity.
This is how Praful would explain velocity.
Okay, cool. Next 10-pointer now on cities. So now we know what kind of cities we are talking about. In economics, it measures the responsiveness of one economic variable to a change in another.
Variability.
Variability. No, open for buzzer. Anyone wants to buzz? Buzz. No. Guess for fun.
Stochasticity.
नहीं, थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा. Simpler. Okay, the answer is elasticity. Okay. Elasticity.
वही नहीं.
Okay, no problem. The style doesn't open, but कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. हमने already Che Guevara को देख लिया है अपने मोटरसाइकिल डायरीज लिखते हुए. Okay, cool. Time for Akshat. Come on.
II Captain.
II Captain. Okay, let's do II Captain. Captain Gopinath is an Indian entrepreneur and the founder of Air Deccan. Which 2024 movie starring Akshay Kumar is based on his life?
I don't have an answer for this, and I know this is the wrong answer, but Airlift. I know Airlift is older, but didn't want to.
But wordplay सही बैठ रहे हैं कि airlift किया है इन्होंने. Okay, not airlift. Anybody wants to guess for fun?
Surfera.
Surfera. This is Surfera, which is a remake of a Tamil film, for which where Surya played this part. Surya won the national award. for this part. Okay. Sarfira, no problem. Now we'll come to Rohan. Rohan,
Let's go with March Past.
let's go with March Past. Okay. March Past, first question. A non-violent protest against the British. Which historical event started from Sabarmati Ashram on 12th March 1930?
I hope I'm not wrong on this. Dandi March.
Unlike the heads up. इसमें भी तो कुछ तो passive resistance movement in South Africa and Natal province. No, correct. Dandi March, well done. 5 points. Talking about Dandi March, 5 points there to Rohan, which means we now have a shot at 10-pointer on March Past. Okay, March Past. The Ides of March falls on 15th March and is associated with misfortune and doom. Which historical figure was assassinated on this day in 44 BC?
Is this Julius Caesar?
It is Julius Caesar. Wah, wah, wah. Wah. Correct. It is Julius Caesar. Well done. Okay. Now we come to our last category. Soham, disaster या दंगल?
Disasters, the round that has been for me. Disaster. सही end करके.
Fitting end. Yes. to this round with disaster. Okay. Disaster for 5 points. In 2001, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck in Gujarat, causing widespread destruction. Which city was its epicenter?
Surat.
Not Surat. 2001. Surat, anyone wants to guess? Bhuj. Bhuj. Correct. It was Bhuj. Okay, disaster. Even the round was sort of disaster against Soham Khan. We'll now take a look at the scores before we go to the next round. Alpesh is on 5 points. Akshat, whoa, 40 points. Rohan 15. And Soham also 5 points. चलिए, which means अल्पेश और सोहम में से किसी एक को चुनना है, राइट? एंड हाउ डू वी डिसाइड? क्योंकि ये तो पहले हुआ नहीं है. So what we'll do is we'll go to दंगल.
Okay.
We'll see दंगल का 5 point का question. And whoever gets it gets to pick. बस. ठीक है? Ready? Okay. If Greco-Roman is one of the two styles of wrestling in the Olympics, which is the other?
Freestyle.
Soham, yes, well done. Freestyle. It's correct. So, Soham, you get to select your teammate. As we all know, round 2 जो है वो teammates वाला round होता है. It's a pair round, team round. So, Soham, who do you want in 3 मुश्तंडों में? किसको चुनना चाहेंगे आप?
Rohan.
भाई
You should not move only.
गलती करो, हिल मत जा. Team inertia. Team inertia is still going strong. पक्का?
पक्का.
Why but? Just.
क्या बुलेट से है ना वो तो साथ में रहेंगे तो
बोलून खाने साथ में रहेंगे तो है ना? बीच में वो थोड़ा सा एक टोलना का.
We are Team Central.
We are Team Central. Yes, Team Central. तो टीम सेंट्रल ही आपका नाम भी रख देते हैं. टीम सेंट्रल रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय मुलुंड एंड ठाणे, है ना? आप लोग का क्या?
टीम वेस्टर्न.
टीम वेस्टर्न. अरे वाह. टीम वेस्टर्न. टीम वेस्टर्न कहाँ अंधेरी है?
गुड़गांव.
अंधेरी करेगा. ओके, जस्ट सेपरेटेड बाय नथिंग लाइक ओशिवरा जोगेश्वर.
एक इन्फिनिटी से दूसरे इन्फिनिटी.
एक इन्फिनिटी से फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी
And beyond.
एंड बियॉन्ड इज कांदिवलियन. ओके, टीम वेस्टर्न और टीम सेंट्रल के बीच मुकाबला होगा. राउंड 2. लेट्स सी राउंड राउंड 2 क्या है? राउंड 2 इज दो दोस्त एक दूसरे में चाय पियेंगे. ठीक है, इससे दोस्ती बढ़ती. ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल, वेरी क्रेजी राउंड. लेट्स लुक एट द रूल्स. ओके, इस राउंड में देयर विल बी 8 क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड. एनी मेंबर ऑफ अ टीम कैन बज टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन, बट if one member of a team presses a buzzer, the other member will answer the question. Okay, so you're basically pressing the buzzer for your teammate.
Correct.
Okay, in case of correct answer, both of you will get plus 20. In case of wrong answer or pass, both will get minus 10. ठीक है? If you are unable to answer, then I'll open it for the other team. उसमें भी same. One person will buzz, the other person will try. but this time for +10, -5. Clear है?
Okay.
Now only rule is you can't do verbal, non-verbal,
हाँ yes.
all of that. So we'll gesture की
बचा
बजा अरे तेरा भाई है not all of that. ठीक है सब लोग समझ गए?
yes.
चलो दो दोस्त एक प्याले में चाय पीते हैं इससे दोस्ती बढ़ती है. First question. Not just the sites of the ancient cities from the Indus Valley civilization such as Lothal and Dholavira, this state also has the longest coastline. Okay, तो बजर दबाया है अक्षत ने. अक्षत, which means Alpesh has to answer. Alpesh. Alpesh. 4, 3, 2, 1.
केरला.
-10 to both of you, both Alpesh and Akshat. Team Central, you want to buzz? Not sure.
Right.
Very risky. No this. Akshat, you want to say क्या था?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Yeah. there
गुजरात
was
has the
local-
longest coastline.
yes.
Okay, Gujarat of course has remnants of Harappan civilization in Lothal, Dholavira, वगैरह. They also have the longest coastline.
Correct. I'm Gujarati. You should have buzzed. Good.
उसको खुद के स्टेट पे भरोसा नहीं था. मकर संक्रांति में भी उसने बोला नहीं नहीं ये तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. हमारे स्टेट में मैंने तो काइट देखा ही नहीं. इस शेप का तो मैं मिठाई दूं.
काजू कतली.
Okay, interesting first round. We already have -10 on board. Okay, question number 2. The story of a poor village woman named Radha who struggles to raise her sons. This was the first Indian movie to be nominated for an Oscar. Alpesh has buzzed, which means he has buzzed for Akshat. Akshat? Alpesh, कोई दुख मत देना, कुछ मत करना. Alpesh, सामने. Okay, Akshat, countdown has begun. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Sorry. Okay, other team has also buzzed. Rohan has buzzed, which means Soham.
Oh.
You get to answer this on behalf of your team. We have 5 seconds.
Mother India.
Mother India, beautifully done.
मुझे लगा तेरे को पता होगा. नहीं.
वो
क्या?
2023 मैच है ना.
+10 to both of you. Very nice यार. +10. Very nice. Very nice. -10 back to back. But टीम के लिए अच्छा है कि बैलेंस हो गया ना. गुजरात इसलिए इसको गुजरात कैसे नहीं बताया. नहीं इसको मदर इंडिया कैसे फिल्म में लिखा इंडियन मूवी टू. ओके फन. और ये टीम मजे ले रही है. +10 हो चुका है दोनों का. ओके रेडी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The father of a famous actress, he was the first Indian to win an All England Badminton Championship. Okay, buzzer पे सबसे पहले आया रोहन, which means Team Central answer will be given by Soham.
Prakash Padukone.
Yes, Prakash Padukone, correct. +20. क्या चल रहा है यार?
Thanks, bye, buzzer.
+20. Prakash Padukone, Deepika Padukone was the reference. आप लोग को भी पता है? Okay, ready for next?
Yep.
Next question. Was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for bringing help to suffering humanity. Buzzer पे सबसे पहले है अक्षत, which means we go to Alpesh.
मदर टेरेसा.
Mother Teresa, yes, +20.
मैं डाउट कर रहा था खुद को ही कि भाई.
Okay, guys. Ready, all of you?
Ready.
Okay, next question. This organelle found inside a cell is known as its powerhouse. Buzzer आया है सोहम से, which means Rohan for Team Central.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse. Finally, a knowledge calm I like.
Yes.
I think after all these years, it has helped you with 20 points on anyone can quiz. Mitochondria, 20 points to Team Central, both of you, +20, which means now we go to the next question. Okay. Widely recognized as the most spoken language in the world. Okay, Alpesh has buzzed on behalf of Akshat. Akshat.
Mandarin.
Mandarin, yes.
बढ़िया
Mandarin. Okay, Mandarin is correct. The Mandarin is the most spoken language in the world. 2 more questions, huh? All set?
yes
Chalo, next. These awards were first presented in 1929 at a private dinner function at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel with an audience of about 270 people. Alpesh has buzzed for Akshat. Akshat?
Academy Awards or Oscars.
Oh, क्या बात है भाई. Plus 20 again for Team Western. Team Western, Oscars, correct. Very nice. Okay, last question in this round. Which is the only continent that is located in all 4 hemispheres? Alpesh has once again buzzed for Akshat.
Africa?
Africa, correct. Plus 20 again.
Nice.
एंटी-नेशनल मदर इंडिया नहीं पता लेकिन अफ्रीका फटते बता
Team Western है ना वो लोग.
टीम वेस्टर्न ओह माय गॉड व्हाट अ क्रेजी राउंड मजा आया थोड़ा इसमें थोड़ा एड्रेनलिन राउंड था कि नहीं एड्रेनलिन
This is also about क्विज से पहले किसने
हाँ,
बातें ज्यादा
किया।
की हैं कुछ.
हाँ उसके बीच में भी इसने मदर इंडिया के बाद बोलती है मुझे मूवी
But he still went on Oscars.
भाई ऑस्कर तो पता ही होगा.
वो तो आपको लगा था मदर इंडिया में पता ही होगा.
नहीं बट ऑस्कर पता होगा अभी.
किसने जीता शायद वो ना बता
हाँ
नहीं वो तो नहीं पता.
हाँ
उसके लिए
एक और क्या सीखा एक दूसरे के बारे में तुम तो
गुड कॉन्फिडेंस एक दूसरे पे.
कॉन्फिडेंस है एक दूसरे में टीम सेंट्रल ऑलवेज दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू द एंड ऑफ आवर सेकंड राउंड. दो से एक प्याले में चाय पियेंगे. बहुत चाय पी लिया हमने व्हिच मींस लेट मी हैव सम. बहुत ही खूबसूरत कप है ये. बहुत जल्दी हमारी वेबसाइट पे आएगा. आप ये कप खरीद सकते हैं. टी शर्ट भी खरीद सकते हैं.
वाह वाह प्रोडक्ट.
Thanks guys. Link if available it's in somewhere it is. Time to take a look at the score. Alpesh with 65. Despite initial hiccup, थोड़ा शुरू में थोड़ा टाइम लगा था. थोड़ा गुजरात, थोड़ा मदर इंडिया. Then you guys got in the groove. Very nice. Akshat leading with Akshat has just hit a century, 100. Rohan also tied with Alpesh on 55. And Soham now on 55, much better than the last round.
Disaster.
Okay, cool. Team Western happy, Team Central happy, everyone is happy.
Yes.
मैं अपने आप को आज से दादर बुलाना चाहूँगा.
Connected.
Okay. Let's go to the next round now. Round 3, round. Oh, which is रात का तारा. Okay, this I'm very proud of. हमने जो नाम दिया है इस राउंड को, क्योंकि अगर आप नोटिस करेंगे तो रात का तारा का मतलब ये है कि रात और तारा एक दूसरे का एनाग्राम है, राइट? आपने थोड़ा और चेंज किया तो रात का तारा हो गया. विच मीन दिस इज एनाग्राम राउंड. हर क्वेश्चन में 2 क्वेश्चन होंगे, बट दोनों का आंसर एक दूसरे का एनाग्राम है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज एन इंडिविजुअल राउंड जस्ट लाइक राउंड 3.
Okay.
6 questions. In a pair of question will be asked. You can buzz. Answer to both questions are anagrams of each other. You will get plus 10, minus 5. If a player is unable to answer correctly after buzzing, other players can also buzz and try to answer the question. Chalo, let's start. First question. A resort town located in Himachal Pradesh along the Beas River and is named after someone who is believed to be the father of all humankind. Second question. A Hindi movie about a son's troubled relationship with his father, which leads him to set out on a path of vengeance and destruction. Alpesh.
मनाली एन एनिमल.
Oh, this is how this round works. Crazy. Resort town in HP मनाली, बियास रिवर के साथ में है वो. मनु के नाम पे बहुत लोगों के हिसाब से. और एनिमल एंड मनाली आर anagrams of each other. 10 points to Alpesh. Crazy, great start.
Good start.
Crazy. Okay. Next question. First name of the Indian politician who became the first non-Congress Prime Minister to serve a full term in the office from 1999 to 2004. A 1999 Hindi language musical film directed by Subhash Ghai, starring Anil Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai and Akshay Khanna in lead roles. Alpesh once again.
अटल एंड ताल.
आहा, क्या बात है, क्या बात, वाह क्या
अच्छी बात नहीं
ये
है.
अच्छी बात है. Atal and Tal, of course, are anagrams of each other. Perfectly done. Perfect. Amazing. Next question. An Indian company which makes biscuits and confectionery products and is known for the best-selling biscuit brand in the world. And second is a hard glistening object produced by oysters which is highly valued as a gemstone and an object of beauty. Oh, finally, Akshat.
Parle and Paul.
Parle and Pearl, yes. Parle, which is an Indian company. Parle G is world's best-selling biscuit brand, and Pearl. Okay, Parle. चलो पार्ले वेस्टर्न लाइन हैप्पी विथ पार्ले क्वेश्चन ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 Hindu god of weather considered the king of the devas, the currency of several countries, most notably Iraq. Yes, Akshat.
Indra and Dinar.
Yes, Indra and Dinar. Indra and Dinar in King of Gods and Dinar, Iraqi dinar. There are other dinars also. Okay, chalo. Next question. A sacred utterance believed by practitioners to have religious, magical, or spiritual powers. Last name of an Indian film director, best known for Roja, Bombay, and Dil Se, amongst others. Okay, making his debut in this round, Rohan.
Mantra and Ratnam.
Mantra and Ratnam, yes. Mantra and Ratnam. Mantra and Ratnam. Fantastic. Okay. Next question. City on the banks of the Yamuna River, known for a marble marvel, a melodic framework in Indian classical music that traditionally has an emotional significance, such as with season, time, and mood. Once again, Rohan.
Agra and Rag.
Agra and Rag. Agra and Raga. Agra and Rag. Well done. Fantastic, guys. Well done. थर्ड राउंड के बाद स्कोर पे नजर डालते हैं, which is getting more and more interesting. And this is a thrilling, very deserving of a semi-final kind of a score, because right now we have two people who are at the exact same score, so they'll both be eyeing the other spot in the in the finale. There's somebody who I think can be a dark horse. There's 2-3 questions here and there, and somebody who seems like has secured a spot in the finale, but you never know. Let's take one last look at the score. 85 for Alpesh. Akshat 120. Rohan also 85 and Soham 55. ओके दोस्तों, लास्ट राउंड कुछ तुम्हारा है रिचुअल, कुछ नकल वकल ये वो कुछ है तो कर लेते हैं. आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सबकी स्ट्रैटेजी देखने में मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ कि अक्षत कुछ करेंगे या छोड़ देंगे कि मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, बाकी को लड़ने दो. विल सोहम बी मोर अग्रेसिव? हाउ अक्षत एंड रोहन रिस्पॉन्ड टू ईच अदर्स correct and wrong answer will be very interesting to see. Let's start the last round, which is of course as of सोच मत decode कर. सवाल आएंगे जो कि hint होंगे for something. We'll tell you what that something is. Every correct answer will give you +10, wrong answer -5. Let's begin. First question. Business. Rohan.
Lenskart.
Lenskart, yes. Lenskart is correct. Lens or cart, काफी relatively straightforward. I think Lenskart, Lenskart business. Okay, +10 to Rohan. Next question. City. City. Rohan once again.
Rishikesh.
Rishi or Kesh? भाई वाह.
Nice, very nice.
Rishikesh. Oh, strong start by Rohan. Rishikesh. Correct. Next question. Movie. Movies. Akshat.
Kantara.
Kantara. Superb track. Kantara. Nice. +10 to Akshat. Next question. Personality. Oh. Okay. Soham.
I don't know. Washington.
Washington. No.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं था.
कोई बात
होता ही नहीं
नहीं.
क्वालिफाई.
-5 to Soham. We are going to Akshat. Akshat has also burst.
Dhoni.
धोनी. भाई वाह. Well done, Akshat. Dhoni. Washington. Oh, good track. Also cricketer. Dhoni. Okay. 10 points to Akshat, -5 to Soham. But next question. Brand. Okay. Alpesh.
Airbnb.
Oh वाह वाह टू गुड. वाह क्या बात है. एयर और BNB. वेरी नाइस. Airbnb. Super. Okay, 3 questions to go. Next question. Sports. Okay, Akshat.
Kabaddi.
Oh yeah, nice.
Superb.
बढ़िया भाई.
कैब और हड्डी कब अड्डी. वाह.
Carom, I was going to say.
Oh. Okay, Kabaddi. Last 2 questions to go. Personal care. Personal care. Akshat.
मामा और
मामा और अर्थ, क्या बात है?
वाह 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 वाह
Oh, so good.
वाह
So good.
वाह वेरी नाइस
Shakuni Mama and the Planet Earth combined to give you Mama.
I like how शकुनी का फेस इज यूनिवर्सल कोई भी एक्टर ले लो यूनिवर्सल बन जाता है
Chal. Let's see. Last question. State number 1, Alpesh. 4, 3, 2,
राजस्थान
1. No, -5 12. I know you had, it was worth the risk, but not enough. Next, Akshat.
नागालैंड
Nagaland. That is the state that we were looking for. Nagaland. Nagaland. Bhai wah, Akshat, superb.
मस्त मस्त
Deserving winner, and what a deserving, thrilling Abbas Mustan kind of a finish we had last moment. But yeah, matlab Alpesh had to go for it, and you did that, knowing well enough. Soham also, you took a risk whenever needed.
Yes.
Akshat had all his plan A, plan B, business plan, BCP analysis, everything was done. And Akshat, of course, fantastic. We'll take a look at the final score, okay? Okay, we'll start with a round of applause to Soham first. Soham, what a guy, one of the most fun people we've had. Soham, I hope to see you. We are doing many different kinds of quizzes.
Definitely.
So Soham, please come and collect your semi-finalist. Congrats, semi-finalist. Yes.
Thank you.
Tom, thank you. Tom ends on 50 points for score check. Then we come to this thrilling neck to neck that we had throughout 4 rounds. This was a very central question, whether it's like एक ऐसे चल रहा है, एक तरफ कुरला की तरफ ट्रेन बढ़ रही है, एक बांद्रा की तरफ बढ़ रही है, दोनों महीम पे क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, क्या होगा? But I think finally it all came down to Borivali and Mulund, like ऐसा last station. But a big round of applause for Alpesh. Alpesh, what a guy. Please come collect your semi-finalist award.
थैंक यू
Big round of applause for Alpesh. Alpesh ends on 90 points. Okay, Alpesh, from the day we started the process of this show, I think you've been one of the most fun people at every stage of the show. So major shout out to you and also your wife, I have to say.
Thank you.
Because I know she watches it. Both of you are fantastic.
थैंक यू
Okay.
ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स मिल गए मुझे
Yes. Okay, now we come to the first runner-up of the semi-final who edged Alpesh at the very last moment with a very crazy buzzer fight. Give it up for Rohan with 105. Rohan is a finalist. Rohan, I'll see you in the final. And of course, somebody who dominated right from power play actually. Come to think of it. 170 points. 170. Crazy. I think the शुरू में ही जो तुमने शुरू किया ना कैटेगरी, what was the technical problem?
Technical problem.
Imagine from technical कहाँ से कहाँ आगे life.
Yes.
And अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी में you can be like, दिन था जब मैं टेक्निकल
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं
सॉल्व कर रहा था और तब से जो नागालैंड का सफर रहा है अक्षत वेल डन फैंटास्टिक आई विल सी यू इन द फाइनल ओके टाइम फॉर आवर 2 अवार्ड्स फॉर दिस एपिसोड जो कि आपको पता है मैं देता हूँ ऐसी चीज़ों को जो कि मेरे फेवरेट आंसर थे बहुत सारे फेवरेट मोमेंट्स थे आई थिंक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट क्रैक फ्रॉम अ क्विज मास्टर पर्सपेक्टिव वाज एयरबीएनबी एंड
थैंक यू
along with so many moments doubts like question कैसे दिखेगा when I turned him this side your reaction on Gujarat this thing on Mother India on many moments that will never make it online and also don't let them know your next move there are too many different moments Wawa Production Award
Thank you.
goes to Alpesh
थैंक यू
थैंक यू अल्पेश एंड आवर नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इज क्राइम मास्टर गोगो आया हूँ कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा देर आर मेनी मोमेंट्स दैट सोहम हैज गिवन अस थ्रू आउट दिस बट दिस एपिसोड सम मोमेंट्स दैट आई कैन थिंक ऑफ one was the F1 how F1 is not relatable to somebody living in Mumbai how RCB you are waiting for heartbreak how you online I don't know if it was intentional or unintentional but you said ki I was a Mumbai Indian fan then I Shakuni face and your strategy throughout in terms of quizzing also please come and collect प्राइम मास्टर गोगो, ये टोपी आपने कहाँ से ली? Big round of applause for Soham. And that brings us to the end of the episode. We have two finalists. Thank you so much for watching. Anyone can quiz and please keep quizzing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.